You need to hear this if you're looking to boost your health. We're talking about the life-changing benefits of a low-sodium diet. Hi everyone, I'm James Phillip, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of a low-sodium diet. If you're dealing with hypertension, heart disease, or kidney issues, reducing your sodium intake could be a game changer. But even if you're just looking to feel better overall, this is for you. So why go low sodium? First off, lowering sodium helps maintain normal blood pressure, which is key for heart health. It also reduces the risk of stroke and helps your kidneys function better. Crucial if you've got kidney problems. Sounds amazing, right? But there are challenges. Processed and restaurant foods are sneaky sources of sodium. So how do we stay on track? Here are some practical tips. Choose fresh, unprocessed foods. Read nutrition labels like a detective. Use herbs and spices instead of salt to jazz up your meals, and opt for low-sodium versions of your favorite products. Diligence and mindful eating are your best friends on this journey. But trust me, the health benefits make it all worth it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.